It would have been an even fantastic today. Good mood is sponsored by Fishing and Beer Shirt. Bigger incident could have turned into a shootout. Diplomats are supposed to be untouchable, with the understanding that they'll be severely punished by their home country for doing anything that would encourage the host country to touch them. In general, the most a host. Fantastic today. Good mood is sponsored by Fishing and Beer Shirt. Tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt, hoodie. Bet there was alcohol involved. To be fair, most of the presidential security is ex-military and or highly trained, specialized. I'm fairly sure it's since been clarified that Fantastic today. Good mood is sponsored by Fishing and Beer Shirt. She doesn't actually have diplomatic immunity. She just fled under that pretense. What makes it even worse is that since then there have been numerous more reports of U.S. personnel driving on the wrong side of the road outside of the very same base. Killing someone is a big deal and you don't get away with that because I'm important. Other products.